Hi guys, it's Ash here for another episode of Keeping It Real, and it is an unboxing of the MyVegan box from Myprotein. A link in the description box. So for those of you who are vegan, or maybe you're vegetarian, or maybe you just want to try out their supplements, give this box a look. It contains quite a lot of goodies, starting with a metal shaker. Really good quality, and it's absolutely fantastic. I mean, just look at it. There are a number of sachets including protein blends. I got the coffee and walnut, the banana, chocolate, turmeric latte, and a strawberry. Don't forget guys, turmeric is good for you. But anyway, moving on. So aside from the protein, I got some vegan BCAAs. Or should I say BCAAs, branched chain amino acids. And I got 4 packs of those. For those of you who don't know, even though there are many amino acid products on the market, a lot of them aren't suitable for vegetarian and can come from a number of sources. So actually that's something to look at. Moving on, we get 2 carb crusher bars, which are 15 grams of protein, and they are quite soft. And of course I got the 2 baked cookies, plant-based, and they are 14 grams of protein. So altogether in that box is quite a good deal for basically just a little trial kit, or to give it a try. I know with a lot of vegan or vegetarian supplements, sometimes they don't taste fantastic, they are a bit chalky. I haven't tested all the products yet. They feel quite soft as well, so I'm hoping they taste quite good. But all in all, 2 cookies, 2 bars, 4 packs of amino acids, 5 packs of protein, and a steel shaker, all in a box, and all for a fantastic price. Get onto the Myprotein website, check it out. They've got some offers on there, and they've got the discount code on there as well guys. So that's it for now. Comments in the box down below, and guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow. Until next time, see you later.